Happy birthday, Dayron!
Everybody, let's go! Whatever you dream, whatever you see, whatever lights you up tonight, whatever you need, whatever you'll be, whatever makes you come alive. It's all inside, it's all yours if you just believe.
Si Dayron ay masayahing bata, malusog, masigla, malikot na, nag-stand na siya, tapos very loving at very caring na baby. Nasayaw siya.
Open the door, everyone in the world, get on the floor, what you waiting for? Let's go! Everybody, let's go! Everybody, let's go!
My favorite little moment with my baby Dayron is during his feeding time, breastfeeding kasi siya, exclusive breastfeeding, kaya alam mo yun, yung bonding namin mag-mommy is very important. Favorite niya lagi yung cuddle time and yung pagka naliligo na siya, favorite din niya yung water, nagpe-play time din, ganyan. Very loving na baby.
It's our time, you know.
Happy birthday, Day Day! Jan, jaran, jan, jan. Happy birthday, Dayron!
Everybody, let's go. Open the door, everyone in the world, get on the floor, what you waiting for? Let's go! Everybody, let's go!
Hello, baby Dayron! Alam ko na i-bless ka ni Papa Jesus ng more blessing and continues yung best of health mo, happiness. Ngayon, wala lang si Daddy kasi nag-work siya. Pero nandito siya with us. Alam ko na very supportive si Daddy. Lagi kaming buong pamilya magmamahal sa'yo at laging gagabay sa'yo. Continue to be a good boy and God-fearing always. We love you!
Whatever you'll be, whatever makes you come alive.
Happy birthday, Dayron!